One day, while the building's owner is making his rounds, he notices his tenants talking heatedly about something. Concerned, he listens in and hears them discussing the building's energy-saving measures. Of course, everyone wants to talk to the owner. The owner is at wit's end with no idea what to do. What? A flash of inspiration! Right! The Air Conditioning Network Service System. Conventional energy-saving measures take a great deal of time. Daiking's automatic online data management supports energy saving. So you can safely leave energy-saving measures to the manufacturer. All right, you did it!